Want to transform your videos from good to captivating by adding a professional voiceover? Let's dive into how you can do it online, easily and for free. First up, head over to Clipchamp. It's a user-friendly platform perfect for beginners. Click Start Editing to begin. Upload your video directly from your computer, or paste a video link once your video is loaded. Look for the Audio tab on the left-hand side panel and click on it. Now, you should see a record button. Give Clipchamp access to your microphone if prompted, and when you're ready, click the record button to start recording your voiceover. Speak clearly and concisely, pacing yourself to match the visuals in your video as you speak. The timer will show you how long you've been recording for. Click the red stop button to finish the recording. The voiceover will automatically appear as an audio track on your timeline here. You can trim it, adjust the volume, or even add fades. Another great option is Clipchamp. It offers similar features. Simply upload your video, then select record and create to start recording your voiceover directly within the platform. Just like with Clipchamp, you'll be able to record, review, and add the voiceover to your timeline for further editing. Once you're happy with your voiceover and video, click the export button, choose your desired resolution and format, then download your newly enhanced video. It's that easy.